Welcome to Recipe Food Tube. Eat something good.
How to make Victorian Gingerbread Valentines Cookies. Let's gather the ingredients. 2½ cups unsifted flour, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1½ teaspoon ginger, 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup margarine, 1/2 cup packed dark brown sugar, 1/3 cup dark corn syrup, 1 large egg. Cooking directions. In a large bowl, sift together flour, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and salt. Blend together margarine and brown sugar until smooth. Add corn syrup and egg. Beat well. Add dry ingredients, about 1/3 at a time, mixing until smooth after each addition. Chill dough for 1 hour. Roll out half of the dough on a lightly floured surface to 1/4 inch thickness. Reserve other half for decorations or for a second batch of cookies. Using a heart-shaped cookie cutter, press out cookie shapes or use a knife to cut around a pattern. Place hearts on a cookie sheet. Decorate as desired. Bake at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until golden. Remove and place on wire racks to cool. Store in a covered container.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Now go make and eat something good.